My name is Bella Arcand. I'm 17 years old and I was about 6 years old when I started having seizures.
My name is Aiden. I am 9 years old and I was 4 years old when I started having seizures.
Hi, my name is Jovi and I am 12 years old. I was 4 years old when my first seizure happened.
So my name is Nicolo. I'm 7 years old and I've had a seizure since I was born.
It affected it a lot because once I got it, I was always like really tired after I had one, and I had to be confined to a wheelchair because of how many I had and stuff, and just not being able to play with the kids on the playground.
It has made me eat healthy, go to bed early, show up to my doctor appointments, and there's nothing that I cannot do.
It works with my colitis to make stuff worse.
It was probably like being in a wheelchair and not like learning the same way as the other kids would, and like losing so much control of what people, like what I would do or something. They would always just tell me what to do, and relearning how to walk and talk, and also like not having a paralyzed arm and stuff.
It's not too hard, but it's a part of who I am.
That I have to be calm and not very excited. Like I can be excited, but it's hard for me because I can't be that excited.
Definitely having a seizure because you get rest day time.
Just that if somebody is like staring and it's like repeatedly staring for like a long time, like really long time, and they're not responding to anything, that means they're having a seizure, and then you just don't want to like be like, oh, they're judging you or something. Just not to prejudge them before.
I would like others to know that it's a medical condition and there's nothing that you cannot do.
It is very hard, and we don't know what it is like to not have epilepsy and not be a normal kid or normal and go and do stuff without having to not be that excited or not that stressed, because it is hard, and that's what my seizures cause me when I'm excited or very nervous and scared.
It's very uncomfortable to have.
It's been 7 years since I last had my seizure.
It has been 5 years since my last seizure.
165 days.
Thank you so much. Thank you for like being like so patient. Like I remember sometimes I would like be like really crying and stuff because of how much needles I had have to get. And like shout out to like Nurse Brenda and Dr. Huntsman and Wendy. Thank you for you guys. I don't know what I would do without you guys. So thank you.
I would like to say you're very nice people, and thanks for being a part of my journey.
Thank you very much, and it's way more nicer when I actually have nurses and doctors that care.
Maybe we could start a whole team to find out a way to get epilepsy out of our bodies. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it so much. And we will always be there for each other.